All right, we're back at another street. Let's check it out. We'll just start with this Cutlass. Good looking car. Like those wheels. BF Goodrich Radio TAs. White interior. Oh, we got us a Bandit. These folks have done quite a few things here on the promo tour for Back to the Bricks. Very nice. Got another Ranchero here. What's up, Mike? How you doing, buddy? Good, you? Looks, she's gonna pull through it, I think, but it's been tough on her. Yeah. Thanks. We appreciate the prayers. Look at that. It's got Hot Wheels. Got some cars coming through. Let's take a look at these. A Chevrolet. A Ford. Monte Carlo. Late model. Chevy. I don't know. How do you feel about the SSRs? That's a tough one. 66 Impala. There's a 67 truck here. Get some engine work done to it. Looks good. Nice color on that. Really good looking truck. I was some friends of the show asking about our wife who's my wife's going through stage 3 breast cancer treatment. She's doing well. She's made it through chemo and moving to the next steps. Everybody's concerned, and we appreciate that. We appreciate the prayers that we're getting from people, which, she's only going to be healed through the doctors and God. Really nice car. All right. Oh, look, a Corvair. Very nice. Member of the Detroit Area Corvair Club. I'll check out the spinners on the hubcaps. Hopefully I can get a better shot of it. Here we go. For those who don't know, Corvairs, the engine's in the back. That's a 140 horse engine there. It's a 4-speed car, so it's a Corsa. Really nice. I had one of those. Mine was a 66 convertible Corsa. Nova. Another Pontiac. What do I think? I think that's... I had a Le Mans that was tan like that. Mine was a 77. Let's see what year they say this one is. This is a 74. You just don't see a lot of these either anymore. Pretty good shape. Next to a 70 Buick Electric 225. Cruising in style in this. And it's a convertible. Yeah. Nice. Oh, another promo car. People just sitting around here enjoying themselves. Let's go over here. There's a Corvair. Here's a 63. So you can get a look at what that engine looks like in the back. Pretty familiar with these. So you have 2 carburetors, right? You have a generator on this one. Goes around the belt, goes around the crank. There's an idler, goes around the fan. So when this engine's running, that fan's going. Blows it through the engine to cool it. They have these vents down here at the bottom to help exhaust heat. I'd love to have another Corvair again. This one's pretty nice. Nice shifter. Prominent spot here in the middle of the street. Give her a little walk around. Very nice.